Hey everyone, in this video, I'm gonna try the CapCut AI Video Maker. So is it good? Is it bad? Is it free? It says here it's free. So let's try it. Welcome to the free all-in-one AI video maker. Here we can create an instant AI video, brainstorm with AI, avatar video, match media to script in one click. And it also has this simplified creation with AI templates. So where you can create a faceless YouTube channel or social media channel without putting out your face there. So let's see if it's good. Create a new project. So first it will ask you to craft your script. So type your script or generate one with AI, ask AI for some key points, create an engaging and tailored script. So let's click next. And then step 2, create your voiceover. So add your custom avatar to narrate your script. Pick your desired voice from our vast library. Create next. Add media your way. So you can upload your own media or match stock media in one click or generate media with AI in one click, right? So now let's start creating. Okay, so what is our topic? For example, I want to create a tutorial video for my clients. For example, a video tutorial and key points. I'd like to make it e-learning about YouTube growth or about YouTube growth, social media growth. So I think, yeah, let's make it just 1 minute. Mimic writing styles, more requirements. So create a 1 minute YouTube growth tips, 5 tips. Make it fun and engaging. And then let's click create. So it's creating script. How long will it take? Maybe there. Oh my gosh, it's less than a minute. So here, hi there, hey there, YouTube creators ready to skyrocket your channel's growth. Let's dive into 5 quick tips that'll have you dominating the platform in no time. First up, consistency is key. Stick to a regular upload schedule. Okay. Next, optimize. Third, engage. Fourth, collaborate. Lastly, don't forget about SEO. Bonus tip, have fun with it. Your passion will shine through and attract viewers like months to a flick. There you have it. 5 surefire ways to level up your YouTube now. There and create some awesome content. Okay, so let's use that. And then the next one is, so here, this one is a voiceover. So we can choose an avatar and a voiceover, or this one, what's this? Our media or stock media or generate AI media. Okay, so generate AI for all. Let's choose that and for all scenes. And this one, avatar. So let's choose Yonan or Andy. Someone who is very, yeah, I like Andy. Let's choose Andy. Apply to all scenes. So it says here it's free. So it's applying to all scenes. It's applying avatar. As you can see, it's very easy now to create a faceless YouTube channel with just AI. So if you're a marketer and if you want to create education videos, corporate training videos, for example, or if you're a founder who's doing everything, you can create tutorial videos, product demo videos with AI or FAQ videos with AI because it doesn't need so much trust with corporate training or onboarding videos. I think here or there. Now let's watch it. As you can see, it's still loading. I think this is the voiceover. So I think this is perfect. Let's choose 9:16. So as you can see, all right, so it's almost done. So if you're a business, would you consider using AI or using AI influencers and avatars for your business, like marketing campaigns, tutorials, product demos? Let me know in the comment section if you want to use AI avatars. All right, so let's try to play it.
Hey there, YouTube creators.
Oops, it's not yet done. So let's have it finished yet. It's almost done. There you have it. It's done. Let's watch it.
Hey there, YouTube creators. Ready to skyrocket your channel's growth? Let's dive into 5 quick tips that'll have you dominating the platform in no time. First up, consistency is key. Stick to a regular upload schedule and watch your audience grow. Next, optimize those titles and thumbnails. Make them pop and click-worthy. Third, engage with your viewers. Respond to comments and build a community. It's all about connection, folks. Fourth, collaborate with other creators. Cross-promotion is a win-win for everyone involved. Lastly, Don't forget about SEO. Use relevant tags and descriptions to boost your discoverability. Bonus tip: have fun with it. Your passion will shine through and attract viewers like moths to a flame. There you have it. 5 surefire ways to level up your YouTube game. Now go out there and create some awesome content.
For me, personally, it feels very robotic and not genuine. Like, I don't feel any emotion at all. So I think if you're gonna use AI, it's okay to use AI for your onboarding videos, educational videos, corporate training, where there's no trust needed. So that's perfect for those type of videos. But if you are building trust and authority on your social media channel, human will still be the better or the best way to create videos for authenticity, for emotional connection, and genuine content. Okay, so going back, you can just edit it more. Here, you can just edit that more so it will load. Okay, so the edit more button will lead you to the CapCut dashboard. So you can edit it further. So you can edit the subtitles where you can choose templates. Here, a lot of templates you can choose from. And you can customize the video with your own style or branding. Look at that. So you can actually edit and customize it. OMG. And it's free. So once you're happy with this, you can just export the video and post it on social media. Now you have a content where you don't need to put on your makeup, put on the lightings. You don't need to set up everything just to create a 1-minute video. That's the advantage of using AI. More efficiency, cost effective, but humans still has the connection and authenticity. Okay, so let me know in the comment section if you're happy with AI or if you're okay with watching AI as influencers, and hit that subscribe button if you like this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.